Gonna need some parts. Frame lugs are good. Yokes are good. I picked up the remains of this old Norton. I think it's a twin frame. It's going to be a little side project. It's a plunger frame with a lay down gearbox. I've got some 3 fork legs and the lower half of the forks. Got two of these. They don't have any fork springs. Got a couple of wheels which are no good really. That's a girder fork front end wheel, and that's a swing arm front wheel which won't really work with the plungers because you'll probably shear the axle off. It's an oil tank, yokes. It's a primary drive case, back and the cover chopped out. I need an engine of some kind. It would have been a cast iron cylinder head Model 7 twin engine originally. But I'll be happy with a twin or a single. We are thinking of a commando motor, like a 750 or an 850. Would go pretty well, but they're really expensive, even for one in bits. The plungers are nice and seized. Got a headlight shell, got the speedometer holder, brake plates, headlight holders, rear brake drum. That's a tank for a feather bed which I've got to fix for a friend. Yeah, need some kind of an engine. Yeah, the frame looks like it's been cut off through here at some stage and then somebody's welded in this huge gusset. The welds look alright, I'll just leave it. Might grind a bit of shape into here though. It's got mounts for a sidecar. That gearbox, I need to whip that apart and see how good it is. This is just another project I don't need, which I'm probably going to do. I've got to sort of even pay for it.